Division by 10, 100, 1000. In the previous class, we have learned how to divide a number by 10. Now, let us learn how to divide a number by 100 and 1000 as well, without actual division. Write the number 9743 inside the symbol and 10 outside the symbol. Now, 10 nines are 90. 97 minus 90 is 7. Bring down 4. Now, 10 sevens are 70. 74 minus 70 is 4. Bring down 3. 10 fours are 40. 43 minus 40 is 3. So, quotient is equal to 974. Remainder is equal to 3. When a number is divided by 10, the digit at ones place forms a remainder. The remaining digits form a quotient. Now, let's divide the number by 100. Write 9743 inside the symbol and 100 outside the symbol. Now, 100 nines are 900. 974 minus 900 is 74. Bring down 3. 100 sevens are 700. 743 minus 700 is 43. So, quotient is equal to 97 and remainder is equal to 43. When a number is divided by 100, the digits at tens and ones place form a remainder. The remaining digits form a quotient. Let's divide the number by 1000. Write 9743 inside the symbol and 1000 outside the symbol. 1000 multiply 9 is 9000. 9743 minus 9000 is 743. So, quotient is equal to 9. Remainder is equal to 743. When a number is divided by 1000, the digits at hundreds, tens and ones place form a remainder. The remaining digits form a quotient. Remember, on dividing a number by 10, 100 or 1000, the number of digits in remainder is same as the number of zeros given and the remaining digits form a quotient. Division by products of 10. While dividing a number by 20, 30, 40 till 90, first divide the dividend by the digit at the tens place of the divisor and then divide the quotient by 10. Example 4. Divide 140 by 70. Solution. First divide 140 by 7. That is, 140 divided by 7 is equal to 20. Now, divide 20 by 10. That is, 20 divided by 10 is equal to 2. Thus, 140 divided by 70 is equal to 2. Division by products of 100. While dividing a number by 200, 300, 400 till 900, first divide the dividend by the digit at the hundreds place of the divisor and then divide the quotient by 100. Example 5. Divide 1200 by 400. Solution. First divide 1200 by 4. That is, 1200 divided by 4 is equal to 300. Now, divide 300 by 100. That is, 300 divided by 100 is equal to 3. Thus, 1200 divided by 400 is equal to 3. Word problems. Example 1. There are 6,720 books in a library. The books are arranged in 32 shelves. Find the number of books in one shelf. Solution. Number of books in 32 shelves is equal to 6,720. Number of books in one shelf is equal to 6,720 divided by 32. So, there are 210 books in one shelf. Example 2. Frame a word problem. 7,136 divided by 16. Solution. There are 7,136 people in 16 halls. How many people are there in one hall? Estimating quotient. Steps for estimating quotient is as follows. Number 1. First, round off the given numbers to the nearest 10 or 100 or 1000 according to the requirement. Number 2. Now, divide the rounded off numbers to find the estimated quotient. Example 6. Estimate the quotient by rounding off to nearest 10 and find the actual quotient also. 72 divided by 14. Solution. Actual quotient. 14 fives are 70. 72 minus 70 is 2. Now, 72 rounds to 70 and 14 rounds to 10. Estimated quotient. 14 fives are 70. 70 minus 70 is 0. So, estimated quotient is equal to 5. Example 7. Estimate the quotient by rounding off the dividend to nearest 100 and divisor to nearest 10. Find the actual quotient also. 678 divided by 43. Solution. Actual quotient. 43 ones are 43. 67 minus 43 is 24. Bring down 8. 43 fives are 215. 248 minus 215 is 33. Now, 678 rounds to 700 and 43 rounds to 40. Let's divide 700 by 40. Estimated quotient. 40 ones are 40. 70 minus 40 is 30. Bring down 0. 47s are 280. 300 minus 280 is 20. So, estimated quotient is equal to 17. Mixed mathematical operations. The four mathematical operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Sometimes we need to use few or all of them to solve a problem. In such cases, we need to follow a rule known as DMAS. Remember, if an operation is not present, it is skipped, keeping the order of other operations same. Division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. This is a DMAS, that is, D first divide, N then multiply, A then add, S then at last subtract. Let us understand this with the help of a few examples. Example 8. Solve 45 divided by 5 multiply 6 plus 8 minus 6. Solution. Step 1. Do the division first. 45 divided by 5 multiply 6 plus 8 minus 6 is equal to 9. Multiply 6 plus 8 minus 6. Step 2. Then do the multiplication. 9 multiply 6 plus 8 minus 6 is equal to 54 plus 8 minus 6. Step 3. Next, do the addition. 54 plus 8 minus 6 is equal to 62 minus 6. Step 4. At last, do the subtraction. 62 minus 6 is equal to 56. Therefore, 45 divided by 5 multiply 6 plus 8 minus 6 is equal to 56. Example 9. Solve 64 multiply 2 plus 5 minus 85 divided by 5. Solution. Step 1. First, divide. 64 multiply 2 plus 5 minus 85 divided by 5 is equal to 64 multiply 2 plus 5 minus 17. Step 2. Next, multiply. 64 multiply 2 plus 5 minus 17 is equal to 128 plus 5 minus 17. Step 3. Then add. 128 plus 5 minus 17 is equal to 133 minus 17. Step 4. At last, subtract. 133 minus 17 is equal to 116. Therefore, 64 multiply 2 plus 5 minus 85 divided by 5 is equal to 116.